Hello, in front of me I've got MOZA Racing R5 simulator set. In this video I'll show you base stand interface preview. In the beginning, take a look at the front of the base. Right here we've got this system, thanks to which we can connect the steering wheel. Now take a look at the most important thing. In the back we've got the power button and interfaces. DC input, emergency stop, handbrake, shifter, dash and pedal. Here we've got the USB port. Use all of these ports to connect your base to peripherals. On the bottom we've got 4 holes, thanks to which we can screw this base to desk via this adapter. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.